In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Amazon for non-returnable items. This might seem confusing at first, but I'll guide you step by step so you can handle it smoothly and understand your available options. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon and sign in to your account. If you're not signed in, click on the Sign In option at the top right and enter your details. Once you're logged in, move to the top menu and click on Returns and Orders. This will show you a list of everything you've purchased. Now, find the order that includes the non-returnable item. Click on it to open the order details. At this point, it's important to understand that some items, like digital downloads, gift cards, or certain restricted products, are marked as non-returnable. This means you usually can't send them back. However, that doesn't always mean you can't get help or a refund. Look for options like Problem with Order, Get Help, or Contact Support. These options may appear depending on the item. If you see a Help option, click on it and select the reason for your issue. For example, you might choose options like Item Not Working, Accidental Purchase, or Not as Expected. If direct options are not available, scroll down and look for the Customer Service section. From there, choose a topic related to your order, such as returns and refunds, or something else. This will guide you to more support options. Next, you may be given the option to chat with an Amazon representative. When you connect with support, clearly explain your situation. Provide details about the item and why you are requesting a refund. In many cases, if your reason is valid, such as a technical issue, duplicate purchase, or accidental order, Amazon may offer a refund even if the item is non-returnable. Keep in mind that refunds for these items are not always guaranteed. They depend on the situation and Amazon's policies. A helpful tip is to be clear, polite, and honest when explaining your issue. This can improve your chances of getting a positive outcome. Overall, while non-returnable items have restrictions, Amazon still provides support options to help resolve issues when needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request a refund for non-returnable items on Amazon. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.